Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Trade Republic and Degiro, two popular investment options. So Trade Republic offers commission-free trading of stocks, ETF, and derivatives with a simple mobile-first interface focused on ease of use, primarily targeting European investors, while Degiro provide access in global markets with a low-cost trading fees, known for its wide range of investment options and advanced trading tools, catering to both beginner and professional investors. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Trade Republic and Degiro, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might get also rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's go directly to the features comparison. So let's talk about core offering. Trade Republic is primarily focused on stocks, ETFs, and bonds. The Giro, they have extensive investment options, including stock, ETFs, bonds, options, features, and mutual funds. For investment options, so Trade Republic have stocks, ETFs, saving plans, and bonds. While the Giro, they have more. They have stocks, ETFs, bonds, mutual funds, options, features, warrants, and more. And for fractional shares, so Trade Republic available for stocks and ETFs, while the Giro they don't have any fractional shares. For saving plans, Trade Republic they offers it for automated investment in saving plans for ETFs and stocks, while the Giro they don't have any saving plans. For leverage trading, Trade Republic not available, while the Giro they have it for certain products, for example, futures, options, and CFDs. For the mobile app, Trade Republic is a simple and easy to use app for long-term investors, while Digiro is a feature-rich app for active traders with more tools. For the desktop platform, Trade Republic have no desktop platform, mobile only, while Digiro available on both desktop and mobile platforms with more advanced features. For the target audience, Trade Republic, they target long-term investors looking for simplicity and low fees, while Degiro, they target active traders who want access to various financial products in global markets. And that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to the pricing. For the account fees, Trade Republic offers pre-account fees, so you don't need to pay. Same thing with Degiro. For the stock ETF trading fees, Trade Republic offers are requiring €1 per trade, while the Giro, the fees is variable depending on market, typically low ranging from €0.5 to €1 per trade. For mutual fund fees, Trade Republic not available, while the Giro, the fees vary per fund. So typically around 0.5% to 2% of investment on an annual basis. For the options and futures fees, Trade Republic, same thing again, not available, while the Giro, their fees varies. Example, €0.5 per options contract and €0.5 per futures contract. And for the leverage fees, Trade Republic, not applicable, while the Giro, applicable for leveraged trades. And the fees, it depends on the product. For the withdrawal fees, Trade Republic, they have it for free. Same thing with the Giro, but for some charges, they may apply for wire transfers. For deposit fees, Trade Republic is free. For bank transfer, same thing with the Giro. Lastly, for currency conversion fees, Trade Republic have no currency conversion fees within the Eurozone, while the Giro, they have 0.1% fee for currency conversion. So that's it for the pricing comparison. Now let's go directly to performance. For the execution speed, Trade Republic have fast execution on stock and ETF orders. Same thing with the Giro, but they have fast execution across various financial instruments. For platform stability, Trade Republic is very stable and they have a user-friendly mobile app. Same thing with the Giro, they are a highly stable platform for both desktop and mobile users, but more complex. For data and analytics, Trade Republic have basic research and analytic tools, while Degiro, they have extensive analytics, advanced charting, real-time news, and in-depth market data. Last, for order types, Trade Republic have market, limit, and stop orders available, while Degiro, they have market, limit, stop, and more complex order types like trailing stops and conditional orders. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer and support. For support channels, Trade Republic, they have email support and in-app chat support. For Degiro, they have phone support, email, and in-app contact form. For response time, Trade Republic, they are fairly quick response via email, while Degiro, relatively quick with good response via phone or email. For availability, Trade Republic have limited hours for support, while Degiro, they are only available during market hours. For knowledge base, Trade Republic, they have comprehensive facts and tutorials, while Degiro, they have extensive knowledge base with detailed articles and user guides. That's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. When we talk about Trade Republic pros and cons, when it comes to pros, Trade Republic is simple, easy to use mobile app, focus on long-term investing. They have extremely low trading fees, which is €1 per trade, making it cost effective. They offer saving plans that allow automated investment. And lastly, they have no currency conversion fees within the Eurozone, which is beneficial for European users. For the cons, Trade Republic have limited investment options, only stock, ETFs, and bonds. They don't have any desktop platform, which could be limiting for active traders. They have limited features compared to platforms that offer options, features, and advanced tools. Lastly, they lack of in-depth research tools for more active traders or advanced users. That's it for the Trade Public pros and cons. For the Giro pros and cons, the Giro when it comes to pros, they have extensive investment options, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, features, and more. They offers advanced tools and analytics for active traders. They are available on both desktop and mobile platforms, allowing flexibility. Lastly, they have generally low fees for stock trading, making it cost effective across various markets. For the cons, the Giro have more complex platform, which might not suit for beginners or casual investors. They charge currency conversion fees 0.1%, making it a costlier for non-Eurozone investment. They have no fractional shares, which could limit accessibility to high price stocks for some users. Lastly, they have no saving plans or automated investment options for hands-off investors. So that's it for the Giro pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Trade Republic. Trade Republic is referable for someone who is focused on long-term investing in stocks, ETFs with minimal fees, someone who are looking for a simple, easy-to-use mobile app without the need for complex features, someone in Europe who wants to avoid currency conversions fees for Eurozone asset, lastly, someone who prefers automated saving plans for hands-off investment growth. So if you have all of these qualities, Trade Republic is the choice for you. For the people who should choose the Giro is referable for someone who wants access to a wide range of financial products, including options, futures, and mutual funds. Someone who actively trades and need advanced tools and analytics. Someone who values both desktop and mobile trading platforms with more advanced order types. Lastly, someone who doesn't mind variable fees but wants more flexibility in global trading and leverage options. If you have all of these qualities right here, the Giro is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, Trade Republic is a great choice for long-term investors seeking low-cost, simple platform that focuses on stocks and ETFs with minimal fees. On the other hand, the Giro caters to more active traders who want a wide variety of investment options and more sophisticated tools. Your decision will depend on your investment strategy, and if you prefer simplicity and cost effectiveness, go for Trade Republic. But if you need advanced features and a wide range of assets, the Giro is the better choice. So if this comparison helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights into investment platforms. And with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.